Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Today's video for this week is going to be a Ring doorbell. It's January 2019. Keep in mind when you're installing the Ring doorbell, there's about 3 different models that I have seen. Mine typically charges, and then there's other models that will not charge, but they'll have a solar pack, or they'll just need more voltage or a booster. So if you have the older doorbell that has this chime where it's digital, you're typically going to have a diode in there, okay? And those two have to work together to make work. If you get rid of this, the Ring doorbell does not work with this kind of chime. You have to go back to a typical solenoid chime. And keep in mind that this style he has, I wish I could tell you what it is, he has to have the booster. What's interesting is I also changed out his transformer from a 10 volt amper to a 16, which actually was producing closer to 20 volts, but then by the time it got up here, this actually seemed to clean it up. So we still had to use this in lieu of it saying not to if you have more than 16 volts, but we have 16, so that actually for some reason needs to be installed. Otherwise I could not get it to double chime. I could only get one solenoid to go bong but not bing. So now we've got it working. Let me show you what he has right here. And you can hear the chime now. Right there is his ring. If you put this diode in lieu of this, you will actually probably hear a tone of a ring, but you're not going to get that to sync to your phone. This limits it. All right, guys, hopefully it might give you a pointer this week about the Ring doorbell. Bye.